Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're going to show you where the AC pressure switch is located on Chevy Cruze and why guys your AC compressor air conditioning system may not work because of that switch. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this Chevy Cruze. Please subscribe to the channel guys. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. Now, we've been working on this one here today, and on most guys, most vehicles, the pressure switch is actually somewhere on an AC line. You'll be able to notice it, but on this Chevy Cruze guys, it's actually located on the condenser. And you do not have to remove, the radiator, the condenser, anything like that. There is just one cover under the bumper, this plastic cover here that you need to remove just with a few screws, and after that you will be able to get on the passenger side to the AC pressure switch. Let me explain what that thing does now guys. That thing tells the compressor, if it has enough pressure to turn the compressor on. If that thing is bad, your AC compressor will not be activated and it will be the same sign as having a bad clutch or bad compressor. Now we'll have a video guys to explain how to test those on the channel coming very soon. But at least on our model guys, it's 2015 model, you do not have to even drain the refrigerant. The refrigerant out of the AC system because there is a valve here. I do not know if it's the same way on all Chevy Cruze vehicles, but ours is a 2015 AOS model, and we will explain now. Guys, let us show you how we're going to remove it, and you don't even have to drain the refrigerant because there is a valve. Now, if in doubt guys, always check your service manual, and if in doubt, always drain the system because if there is no valve, all the freon will come out of here guys under enormous amount of pressure in your eyes. And as a result guys, you can severely damage your eyes, your health, because that freon is not good stuff for you and for the atmosphere as well. And you can see it just has a valve stem like the one on a car tire, just the same thing guys. You can see it just like this one. So we'll install ours, but what it does when the switch is installed, it's going to press that valve and the switch will be able to read the pressure. When you remove that switch, the valve will close and you will not leak anything out. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.